Boom guys, in this video I'm going to show you how we can blow a shell like this. You can see this. It is called a shell horn. You can see. Today in this video I'm going to show you that how we can blow this. I will try. Okay, you will also. So friends, let's get the video. So friends, first we have to make a three fingers like this. Okay, and you just put here. Here you can see here like this, and you have to put three fingers here. Okay, not your left hand, it's right hand. Okay, then we have to like this. Then we can see this. We keep like this. See, we have to keep like this. Okay, now we can blow. We can see one time. It's not means blowing. Okay, first we will do lightly to form three fingers, and then again. It's not having weight. One more time, we can see. Yeah, when you can see that I have blown this shell, and you can try, and it is available in the store in 2000, and it is the medium size, and the last size is 4000 per money. So this video is here only, and if you're not subscribed my channel, then please subscribe my channel and please like and share. So let's stop the video.